Sammy boy. What time is it? Look how beautiful it is. I was thinking, what if you put a bunch of cool historical features of the founding of the United States, non-controversial people, and put their faces like Mount Rushmore? That'd be pretty cool in my opinion. Shit. No, you're only like 30 minutes from the desert in the snow. It's California, man. Look how big this pine cone is. Go be a tree now. You can actually eat these. Called prickly pears. You don't want to touch them now. They got a little fiber, so wear gloves or whatever. Pretty cool though. It's up there somewhere. I don't know where, but it's there. It's up there. Steep as fuck. There it is. Owens Peak. Fucking gorgeous. Steep as fuck though. Gonna get there. This bitch is whooping my ass. So pretty. So like my drone, no sound, so I'm gonna fill in this audio gap with my awesome voice, more epic drone shots as per usual. All right, back to the. I believe that might be Owens Peak now. Look at this. The camera will never do anything with this justice, but that grass patch right there, that's Ridgecrest. Incredible. Fucking incredible. So thankful for this day. It's right here. Oh. Hee-ho. Wow. Yeah. Owens Peak. There's the capstone. Same time. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's hold on, it's on the